Dito kami sa Qatar. Ito yung higaan namin. Nag-vacation kami. Mm. Mm. Ito yung bathroom namin. Mm. Hi! Hello, my darling. Nandito kami sa Qatar. Nagbakasyon. Ito yung room namin. Room namin. Ito yun na yung sa labas. Ito yung terrace. Ang ganda, diba? Building yan. Kaharap ng hotel. Hotel to ang inano namin. And then, here. For another building. For big building, this one. Because here, I don't know for this one or hotel. Because this one, they colored same color here, my hotel, my room. Okay. Ito yung lugar ng Qatar. Nagbe-vacation kami dito. I don't know kung this one for hotel. Here my place. And then my this one to yung room namin. Doon sa may pinto papunta't labas, banyo, bathroom, yung bath, shower like that, and then coffee. This one. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Please subscribe my video. Okay.